In the ever-evolving landscape of automotive technology, the integration of smart features has become increasingly important for enhancing the driving experience. One notable advancement is the introduction of wireless CarPlay in Android Auto for Mercedes Benz S-Class W222 W217 2014 to 2018 and E-Class 2014. This innovative solution, available on platforms like Aliexpress, seamlessly brings cutting-edge connectivity to your vehicle without the hassle of modifying the original wiring. The wireless CarPlay kit for Mercedes-Benz S-Class W222 W217 2014 to 2018 boasts several key features that make it an attractive upgrade. The installation is designed to be plug-and-play, eliminating the need for cutting or breaking wires. This ensures a hassle-free process that preserves the integrity of the original car wiring. A notable advantage of this upgrade is that there is no need to remove the factory screen. This preserves the aesthetics and functionality of the original dashboard, seamlessly integrating the new features. The result is a smart and connected driving experience without compromising the vehicle's design. The wireless CarPlay kit supports both AirPlay for iOS system and AutoLink for Android, offering versatility for users with different mobile operating systems. Users can leverage AirPlay AutoLink to stream or share content from their smartphones directly to the car's screen, enhancing the entertainment and navigation options available on the go. The kit supports USB multimedia playback, including lossless audio, 720p video, and picture playback. This ensures a high-quality multimedia experience while driving. Additionally, the system allows users to adjust audio equalization settings and control music and navigation volumes separately, providing a customizable in-car audio experience. One of the standout features of this wireless CarPlay kit is its comprehensive support for cameras and parking features. It seamlessly integrates with factory original reverse front 360 cameras and parking radar. Moreover, it extends support to aftermarket cameras, including HD 1080p resolution. The inclusion of a front view camera DVR with dynamic guidance lines adds an extra layer of safety and convenience. The wireless CarPlay decoder facilitates hands-free calling and messaging, allowing drivers to make calls and receive messages without taking their hands off the wheel. The system supports the original car microphone with reserved installation space and features automatic correction for calling cords, ensuring clear and reliable communication.